have to rinse off the steak, make sure it's dry, because we are not trying to steam this baby, we are trying to sear it. And this is a very cheap steak. And so with cheap steaks, what happens a lot of times, they are tough. But because this steak is not thick, we are going to sear it with olive oil and butter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to heat up our olive oil and butter, and once it starts smoking, it's time for our steak to go in. I'm going to use my seasoned salt. And this is almost going to be like a rub that we're putting on this steak. Then I'm going to use some smoked paprika. I just love smoked paprika. It just gives a good taste. So we're going to put that on. Garlic powder. I'm going to use a little chili powder. Don't ask me why. I just wanted to. That's why. And black pepper. Now, I'm going to pat that into the meat. We're going to flip it over and do the other side. Same thing. Seasoned salt. Pepper, garlic powder, paprika, smoked paprika, chili powder, and black pepper. Once our pan is hot, we are going to put our steak in. See, we are using this cast iron pan. Now that it's smoking hot, in goes our steak. You know what? Let that go for about 3 minutes, and we'll flip it. Because this is a cheap steak, we really don't want to overcook it, because we overcook it and it's going to be tough. So we're going to keep it under 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it. You guys will see that nice crunch we got on the, oh yeah, that is looking good. Alright, we're going to let that go for about 2 minutes. Okay, our steak is done. Now we are going to remove it. Let it rest. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to take that onion that I had. Cut it up, and now I'm going to add that into our hot pan and just let that tender